What's up, guys? It's April 2nd and we're here in the Linville Gorge here in western North Carolina. It's a beautiful day. It's a little windy, kind of not windy right now. I'm here with my Instagram buddy John 5 Riley. It's Jon 5 Riley, and I'll put the little name right there, so you should go follow him on Instagram. He posts some cool stuff. So we're just out here for a little overnighter. We start at the Table Rock parking lot over there, way over there. We're headed to Shortoff, which is just literally right over there.
Coffee.
Good morning, guys. We rode out some really gnarly winds last night. Yeah, it was pretty exciting. I put earplugs in to my ears,
so I didn't have to hear it. But yeah, we rode it out. We're doing good, and now it's breakfast time. John's over there making breakfast, and I'm about to make some of my own and oatmeal. We've got probably about 6 miles to hike out back from Shortoff to Table Rock parking lot, and then maybe hit up some Mountain Burrito afterwards, possibly. Just packing up camp and heading out here in a little bit.
So last night I slept with earplugs in, so that way I didn't have to hear the wind. But around 2 a.m. or so, I woke up and heard a pop and then like a loud thud. But it wasn't that loud, so I didn't think anything of it. I thought, oh, it's a tree falling somewhere far away. If you see Riley back there, if he'll wave. Yep, that's where we camped. And this is the tree that fell. Okay, but that's not the crazy part. The crazy part is that there were people camping in this little campsite. They had originally set up their tent here, and the lady said that she just had like a gut feeling that it didn't look too good, so they moved to here. And a good thing they did, because this tree right here fell last night, and they were here and it fell here. That was a tree that I heard fall last night. Riley said he heard a loud pop, or like a fall too, around the same time. And come to find out, it was a lot closer than we thought. So we rode out some pretty nasty winds last night. But we've packed up camp, and we're about to head on back to Table Rock. So we're here at what's called the water tree. And we're just filtering up on some water. It's literally a tree in the middle of what feels like a desert that has some water. So yeah.
The giving tree.
Yeah, the giving tree. So yeah. Continuing on.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so we don't have that much further to go, but we're on the other side of the mountain that we need to go up right before saddle camp. And I just want you to see the trail that we have to go up to get to the Table Rock parking lot. So here you see the mountain. We're going to like right about there's our parking lot. But just take a look at that right there. As you can see, it goes right up the ridge line right here. That's gonna be fun. And Riley's pumped for it.
Pump it up.
Woo. Halfway there. Halfway there. Started right down there. Well, a little farther. Sort of in that valley right there. Woo. Update report. We're still going up. As you can see, look for a little orange blue dot up there. Riley going up. Still. Table Rock chimneys. And Riley. Welcome to the chimney area of the Linville Gorge. I don't know why I said it that way, but it sounded fancy. Let me take you for a tour. There's some of the chimney area. Right past that, there's kind of where it ends. Over there, it's Wiseman's View, and there's Kistler Highway down that way. You can kind of see Hawksbill between right there. That's Little Table Rock, and then Big Table Rock is behind us a little bit. And then there's good old Morganton out that way, and the South Mountains are somewhat over here, and Mountain Burrito is in that way area. The next destination.
Yeah. Should I do some parkouring out here, right?
I'm gonna try to do that one-handed. Ooh. This wasn't my brightest idea.
It's almost impossible to do it with no hands.
Almost means it's possible. You're telling me there's a chance? Post hike meal and Mountain Burrito.